Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can take a selfie on this device. So it is a very simple thing to do. You just have to launch camera, then find this little reverse icon. That will be, if you are in the landscape mode, it will be at the middle right, at the middle of the very right side. If you will put your device into the portrait mode, you will have it at the bottom side, at the bottom of your display, in the middle as well, somewhat. So generally it's either on top of the shutter button or right to the shutter button, and it looks like so. So once you're ready to take a selfie, to shoot a photo from frontal camera, just tap on this option and the camera will be reversed to the selfie one. So all that is left to do in order to take a selfie is to tap on the shutter button like so. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.